Well, I'm finally on board, and mass confusion because I did have a double bed booked. However, there is no room apart from sleeping on the bed and sitting on the bed, so I opted to go for slightly cheaper cabin. However, at least I can store my stuff and have somewhere to sit on this very long journey. But as you can see, time has stood still, and Vietnam is typical of such old trains. It's a very, very humid night tonight, but it's going to be an adventure. I think this train has seen better days, frankly. There you go. Over and out. See you in the morning.